Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an IONOS account using the latest professional enrollment workflow. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to establish their studio infrastructure and, technicality, centralize their latest market assets under one high-end dashboard. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end latest service menu. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional journey. You need to identify which technical path, whether a domain, AI website builder, or WordPress hosting, matches your latest studio goals. Navigate to the IONOS.com homepage and technicality explore the primary service banners. Click on the high-end Start Searching button for domains or the Start Building link for the AI website builder. In the latest standards, IONOS offers high-end AI integration from the jump. Navigating here, technicality prepares your workspace for a professional launch, ensuring your latest studio bookkeeping and setup are automated from the start. Next, execute high-end studio asset selection. Now, you need to bridge the gap between your professional labor and the latest technical requirements by technicality selecting your primary web assets. Search for your desired high-end domain name using the latest AI search tools to find a unique studio address. Technicality, add your domain and a professional email address to secure your latest digital property. Securing a domain is a mechanical necessity for the latest professional success. It technicality maps your brand to a high-end URL, ensuring your studio output is accessible and trustworthy across the latest network. Next, configure professional administrative logistics. A high-end latest workflow requires technicality in how your studio account is registered. You must finalize your professional enrollment. Proceed to the checkout and technicality click Create New Account. Choose between a business or private account as a mechanical necessity for your latest tax and bookkeeping requirements. Establishing these logistics is a professional standard in the latest infrastructure protocols. It automates your high-end billing and keeps your studio administration organized throughout the latest cycles. Review your technical order summary and click Buy Now or Complete Order. And that's pretty much it. To get started in the latest version, visit IONOS.com, select your high-end service, and technicality generate your AI draft. Secure your domain, click Create New Account, and verify your summary before you technicality publish your site. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized and high-end for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.